are visiting Tom's showroom for first time, and I will show you the cars all around. We need to put it back in place, and I have been working for Tom's for a few years. Didn't see the showroom yet, so I want to come to visit today and show you around. Also, I had the access for one key of one car. I picked one myself. Let me know in the comments which car would you like or which one do you prefer, because we can go around with that car for next week if we have enough comments and support. So here we see the first cars, and wow, it's crazy working like here, and you just see this kind of cars. It's amazing. He was explaining a little bit about rental the car, and the problem is if you are not living in Japan or you don't have at least a special permit, they cannot rent. 久しぶりです。でも今日コンテンだけしますだから来週また来ます。These cars are for renting. So me, for example, that I'm living here in Japan, I can be renting the car for 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, 2 days, no problem. So you can take a complete Tom's car for rental. But if you are foreigner, you cannot rental at the moment, because if something happens, you can escape but not paying or something. So for the moment, we cannot allow this kind of system. I was talking a little bit with one of the co-workers. He's the one that is on charge in the showroom, and he was explaining a little bit moving the cars around and organizing, because when I arrived they were still cleaning the windows of the building, so they had to move the cars. So we put the cars around on place, and I have the keys of the 3 cars, so I will show you a little bit the car inside. Today I will not have time to show all the cars, so let me know which car from the showroom you would like to see, and I will try to get the keys and make a lap around with the car to explain what we have been doing with this car, what it has and whatever. Today the car that I choose is the Supra. I picked the Supra because it's one of my favorite ones, the new one. We did a version from Paul Walker many years ago, and it's incredible, the car. And I hope that you also like this one as well. This white, it's crazy, it's amazing. So let's check it out inside. Yeah, it's brand new, this car. Really brand new. Wow, looks really nice. I never been inside a Supra though. Maybe we need to try. Oh yeah, my gosh, it's automatic but it's still a Supra. So I'm planning, maybe this weekend not, we are quite busy, but maybe we can go for a drive with this car next week and show you guys around. If you prefer another car, please let me know in the comments and we will pick another car to go driving around. But I think that this Supra can be looking super nice in the middle of Tokyo. So checking the car only in Japanese, but we can see all the modifications that the car has. So I will not enter into details, but I will put the link below for the people to check if you want more information about these cars. As you can rent it here, is quite a good option to know more about these cars. Under the hood, this engine, we modified these pipes, that they are metal, as you can see. And we changed the ECU. The car is brand new, quite a lot. As you can see, zero dirty all around. And we made also these bars. The only small detail that they are touching a little bit, so The next model they did it a little bit lower. So we have many cars. Outside we have 3 that we're gonna be moving. The GR86, the GR Yaris and the GR Supra. Inside we have also a race car. That is the Lexus that they have been competing this year. They won the GT500 in Japan again. 3 years in a row, they keep winning everything. These are all the flowers that they receive as a prize, like congratulations from everybody. It's quite typical here in Japan for people to give this kind of... We have this incredible Lexus IS 500. It's quite nice, I have to say. The carbon looks amazing. We'll show you a little bit of images around as well. After we have this one. That looks sick. Keep going, one of my favorites, we have the GR Corolla. This one, they don't sell it in Europe, but in America, guys, you are quite lucky that you have all these cars. It's one of my favorites, really. Looks super aggressive, especially with the rear wing. Looks crazy, the rear wing. The GR Yaris. And the last one, the race car, before we go outside and show you a little bit more. This car is crazy. Zunzumyuna.
네, 선생님.
Oh, that's so good. Wow. We are designing and manufacturing many kinds of wheels, as you can see here behind me. And I really like this one. We are also planning to design some wheels and some new designs. As I was saying, let me know in the comments which car would you like to drive for next week. And we're gonna make a lap around Tokyo. One of the most interesting things that we have been doing is the engines. You can buy a 2JZ brand new, like out of the store, and you see that we are rebuilding the block, the head, the internals, everything. It's most likely new. It's a pretty good deal if you are looking for one engine that has lots of quality and that it's coming from a race team. We just sold out the engine from the Hachiroku, the 86, the initial D car. So still missing 2 engines. This one is the one from the MR2, the turbo. And well, this one that chooses it is the one of the Supras, the bigger one. Visiting the new office for first time on the 10th floor was amazing. It's super big and big, huge windows. You can see the circuit from there, and I just realized that they were doing an event there. Five minutes walking from Tom's office, they have a karting circuit, as you can see around. And we are just lucky because today we are doing an event of cars. So we're gonna be showing you around a little bit the classic cars that they have. And if you are visiting the Tom showroom, I think that you can also come to the karting and they're gonna make a special discount for you.
I've been tested so much, all these wrestlers nice, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate.
We have been lucky that it's full of cars, really full of it, and I'm gonna be showing you the most impressive ones that they are inside. I could not expect that, so come with me to see inside what they have there, hiding a really high-valued car.
I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. I'm faced with a lot of different choices these days. Do a rock and roll, Lex account a blue face. The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brother since 6th grade. G-Wagon, red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported these. Thanking God for the life he afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, acting like the hood. I need a brown skinned chick just like Megan Good. Holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the background.
So I didn't expect to have that price on the cars. As you can see, they are really, really expensive. Hopefully tomorrow they find someone that is gonna be willing to pay the price that they cost. We don't have time to go karting or to check the cars proper around. Tomorrow gonna be the auction, and hopefully we're gonna be seeing a little bit the price that they are exiting the cars, especially the Skyline. I'm really interested into that one, because it's gonna be super expensive for sure. After the other, the GT35, the new one, also we'll put more information below if you are really interested on. And Japanese people always love Italian cars, as you can see with the Ferrari.
Life, what's a life without sacrifice? Sometimes you gotta thank God and just roll the dice. Pacino.
We're gonna show crazy projects in the next weeks, and you cannot miss it. Japan has something special with the cars. They are everywhere. If you like the content, you can help us subscribing, commenting below. We can grow bigger together.